In this video, I will talk about the latest update to my color grading course, Reverse Engineering the Grade. My name is Stefan Ringenschwandner, colorist and DZTL developer based in Berlin. Since 2021, I've been running mononotes.com, where I build image processing tools used by professional colorists on productions for Netflix, Disney, BBC, Apple TV, and more. Beyond the tools, I also collect behind-the-scenes footage and reverse engineer the look of the final film using a minimal approach. That study became a course. It has been running since 2023 and has been continuously updated every year since. The focus is on global look development, shaping the image as a whole, letting balance and color relationships fall into place naturally, through observation, through scopes, through deliberate decision-making. The goal is not to become a copycat. Recreating iconic film looks is a method, not the destination. Once you understand how to reconstruct a look with consistency and minimal tools, you develop a way of seeing. And that transfers directly to your own projects, whatever footage you're working with, whatever look you're building from scratch. The course is structured in 4 parts. Part 1 covers color theory, the vectorscope, color harmony, vectorscope patterns, and the foundation of the orange and teal look. I explore 4 different methods to achieve it, explain the weaknesses of each, and show why one approach stands out. Part 2 is the core of the course. 9 film looks, reverse engineered from scratch. Part 3 moves from analysis to application, working with log-encoded footage, balancing skin tones, middle gray, order of preparation, consistency across scenes, look creation with minimal tools, and 2 full look recreation using King Richard and Silence as references. About part 4, the new section focuses on more advanced techniques, but the goal remains the same, keeping the workflow simple, structured, and predictable. So one of the most fundamental topics in color grading is contrast. I talk about S-curve, linear contrast, HDR, the film look creator, and DZTLs. I'll explain each option in detail and which works best for continuity. A contrast DZTL is also included in the course for free. The math behind it is the same as in the print DZTL from my Look Lab print DZTL pack. I also talk about custom color tools in film productions. This lesson is about understanding the limitations of standard tools. In high-end film production, custom tools are often developed to solve very specific problems. I show what those problems are, what kind of tools have been built, and why this helps explain why I built DZTLs in the first place. Then we take a closer look at footage from the film Train Dreams, directed by Clint Bentley. Using publicly available material, we analyze the image and reconstruct a similar look, not to find the exact process, but to develop a plausible interpretation based on what we can observe. Next, understanding print film emulation. 2 different approaches to prepare an image before applying emulation. How different preparation choices influence stability, color response, and highlight behavior. Then I will talk about shaping film emulation, how to shape the influence of film emulation without treating it as a fixed all-or-nothing step, separating different visual contributions within a film look and adjusting their impact with intention. Then a closer look on low-contrast looks, Asteroid City and Spencer, 2 lessons focused on recreating low-contrast, stylized film looks. Working with log footage, the focus is on reading a reference image, identifying its color direction and tonal behavior, and translating those qualities into a flexible, adaptable grade. This course is about building a clear, structured workflow, understanding why you make a decision, not just what button to press. You can find more information about the course on my website. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send me an email. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.